Jag inte på hållet 10 miljoner hour. You don't only minute. I got about 10 more hours until I need to go where I need to go. Man, I'm tired. Stay tuned. I love you guys. I made another stop. You know, we're hungry, so I don't know. I said what? Last clip I said we had 10 hours left. Well, we got about 8 hours left, but we had to eat, so we came here. The Cracker Barrel. What do crackers eat? No. Oh no, I didn't mean that. Everybody eats here. I love to eat here. Oh no, I'm getting canceled out. And we're eating. Look at her. Leilani. Pancakes, food.